Come on, let's go. Come on. What are you whining about? You know how this goes. We sit here for 2 hours, don't see a bird, and then all of a sudden they start flying. Okay. Starting out strong, aren't I? Drop it. Starting out strong. Three shots for one bird. Alright, we can go set up now. Let it be known, you're no longer afraid of cows, huh? I don't think that one's afraid of you, bud. What? Oh, you want some loving? You want some loving? Come here. Oh, you want some loving? Come here. Come here, get some loving. Woo! I think whoever's set up right here is probably gonna have the most luck. There's 3 coming in. Well, don't shoot me. I think that one's dead. Dead? That's triple, baby! Come on, Jake. Come on, Jake. Where's that bird? That one that flew in the pond's dead? Okay. Where's the good boy? That's one. Here, leave him. Boy, I started the day out, I shot 3 times for 1. And I just shot 3 times for 3. Come on, there's another one over here. Hunt dead now, hunt dead. Where's that other dead bird? I don't really know where he is. Oh, appreciate it. There's Beck, get the heads or no?
Yes, you can.
Well, I threw that right to her. Good job, Beck. All right, Jake, I got one more over here. Oh, there he is. Dead bird right there. I'll let the dog find him. Hunt dead now. Where's that dead bird? Oh, there he is. Come here. Bring him here. Good boy. Drop. Thank you. All right. I'm just going to go drop these in the cooler. Another. Here, give me that one. Good job. Look at that one. I accidentally shot one without my camera on. Here, I'll trade you head for... What the heck, man? There he is. This one's very lively. All right, it's two more. Y'all want to come over here? And I'll go back over to where y'all are. I forgot to start the camera for that one. It's okay. Might just keep it rolling from now on. Get that bird, Jake. Go get that bird. I just heard your action go, and all of a sudden I saw a bunch of birds. Come on, let's get that bird. Pretty sure he went down. Get that bird. Where's that bird now? One day, Jake. One day, Jake. Lively. Give him to me. Oh gosh. Well, if we take out that first bird we hopped up, we'd be shooting fantastic, huh? It's amazing what you can do with the right choke. Shut up, Jake. He's afraid of the cows, but he'll bark at you. Shut up! He's not gonna hurt you.
I know.
You from the first one?
Yeah, you can have him now.
I don't want him. Community bird.
He was one that fucking, he was right out there. You guys all missed him. He come flying through the side. He was a long way away, but I clipped him.
I heard you shoot.
Oh yeah, 1 for 1. So that's good.
He's a good boy.
Hey, oh,
Jake,
no.
shut up.
You look at everyone?
Just
When he
some
gets
people, I
excited.
guess. Once he sees you a couple times, he's calm.
And then it'll fire again. So
God, that's an old gun.
yeah, so
That's cool.
yeah, I've shot a few things with it. It works, you know, just about. There you go. Well, that worked. I'll stir him back up. That wasn't what I did. It was just the back of the door. Yeah,
It was a good shot.
yeah, it's happy. It's quite a way away. I thought I'm not going to get him. I must have clipped him because he was alive on the floor.
What kind of shells are you shooting?
Really good.
Perfect, yeah.
Oh good. Nothing. I just thought, well, we were shooting bottles of water and shit. She'd never fired a gun before, so shit like that with this fire and a bottle of water is just so much fun, right?
Alright, I'm gonna go sit back.
As long as I'm beating them two fuckers, it's good.
Boy, they just shot like 5 times.
Oh, them two? They miss it all?
They didn't get anything.
Yeah, they can't. They're in love with
Oh. I mean, if he's in the tree, maybe Beck will... Well, he's in the tree. There, he's coming over. He's right in between us. Just swat him if you need to, if he's crippled. Yeah, he's still there. Where are you? All right, move to your left a little. He's directly, here he comes, right at me, I got him. Come on, Jake. Bring him here. Come on, bring him on in. Come on. You're limping. What's wrong? Drop. Give him to me. Well, that's a big one. We'll call that a community bird. I'm shooting 100%. I mean, if you don't count the first bird I shot before y'all got here. I shot 3 times at it. Shooting an improved cylinder. That's the choke of the day. We got trees they're wanting to land in. They're coming into water. They're getting real close. So an improved cylinder is definitely the pick. That first bird I shot at, that was with a full choke, and it was not the pick. Oh, coming over the pond. Right over y'all. Right over you, Farrell. Oh, he's landing in the tree. I didn't shoot. I was hoping he'd fly over you.
Oh, he's flying. Hey, Mark.
Mark.
Coming towards you, Mark.
I got him. Boy, I got a pump of feathers. Alright, he's going down. Marking him. Alright, I got him, Mark. Alright, I'm going over there to get that bird. Oh, I was shooting good, huh? I was shooting great. And then I did that. Where's that dead bird now? Alright, pause. Oh, that's him? Hey. He's dead at the door now, right there. Good boy. What a good boy. Oh. Got him. Whoa, hold on. Golly, you're gonna bite my fingers. Hey, coming at you. Hey. Whoa, get him. Whoa, get him. Did that bird go down? All right, I'm gonna start cleaning birds. If they start coming over here, let me know. You can shoot first.